Hello everyone, my name is Artem Stesenko and this is my final project for programming course Code in Place Spring 2021 edition. This is my version of the game Hangman. I will quickly explain how it works. So let's start with the printing welcome message, and then while our answer is not equal to n, our game will loop. And first of all, start with choosing difficulty. Then we generate new list from the words txt file. Then we generate random number and append it to the index to one of the words in the word list. And then our game begin. Then I also add an extra feature so we can add new words to the Word text files. Let's test how it works. So I will type Hangman guy. So as you can see, it starts. Then we need to choose our difficulty. Let's try easy. And now we need to guess the word. It has 4 letters. Let's try with C. Oh, it's there. Let's try with. So the word will be caught. Let's try some letters that not in this word. For example, T. You see now it's appear to the list wrong letters. Y again not there. R maybe O. Oh, it's there. Maybe it's B. No. Maybe it's E. Yes, it's there. And finally D. If you want to play again, yes. And then I will show the features that allow to add new words. For example, let's try this. Text pizza, and now we can quit, and you can see our words appear here. Just we can demonstrate again that it's for sure there. For example, apple, house, and let's say it there. Yeah, apple, house. Thank you so much for your attention and have a nice day.